What's the name of your business?
Robotic Imaging.
What problem does robotic imaging solve?
Today, there's a lack of proper documentation for real estate and infrastructure projects.
How does robotic imaging solve this problem?
We use our app to update documentation and ensure seamless collaboration for building professionals across the United States.
How big of a problem is this?
This is a massive problem. Over $100 billion is lost each year due to inaccurate building plans, and 70% of that comes from design data.
When's the moment you realized that this business would succeed?
We have a strong client retention, and we also are able to onboard and adopt new clients very easily to our platform.
How is your technology differentiated from competitors in this space?
We're able to capture large areas of real estate down to a quarter of an inch accuracy, which is unlike anything in the space.
And what's one thing you'd like people to know about your business that they can't find out online?
I want all AEC professionals to reach out to Robotic Imaging to see if we can't save you time and money on your next project.
Great, well, let's give this coffee a taste.
All right, well, the dark forest is cherry syrup that I make in-house, coffee forward, cherry, and then you taste a little bit of the unsweetened chocolate. Spicy boy is a latte that I make with cod honey, ginger, cayenne, and cinnamon.
Absolutely delicious. The cherry is not overwhelming. It's super complimentary. 9 out of 10.
A lot going on in here. Very nice with the honey. I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10.